Hello everyone, I'm back and this is our fifth video just to bring the SD-WAN controllers online. Okay, so our last video we had done everything that we supposed to do. So on this video what I'm gonna do now, I need to transfer the root CA on my Linux box. Let me bring it up. The root CA here into my controllers. So if we have a look, so vShell or vS for short, we can see vManage doesn't have the root CRT. The same goes for the vSmart, and the same goes for vBond. Alright, so I have my Linux box here. So we're gonna be working here. Yes, admin and high-speed push. Let's do the same for the others. That's it. So now let us verify. Yep, got root CA here, root CA, and root CA. Now let us go back to our vManage, and we're gonna generate the CSR for the controllers. 5/6 controller. Oh, sorry. So now let us add it again. That's a vBond and a vSmart. That's it. Now go to certificate, controllers, vBond. Gonna generate, gonna download it. That's a vBond and put it here inside of this folder. vSmart, and the vManage. Download it. So now we need to transfer to our Linux box. This is my folder on the desktop. I'm gonna transfer it here. So now if we look to the Linux box now, we have them here. So now what we need to do now is generate the CRT for each one of them. So copy, enter, it's done. If you look at it again, now you see vManage and CRT here now. Okay, so now let's do the same for the vSmart. And you can see certificate to request self-signature, okay. And for vBond, now we can see we have vManage CRT, vSmart, and a vBond. Now let us go back and refresh, and then now you see vBond, vManage, and vSmart, and copy into your desktop root CA So desktop, ROOTCA, and I can see them here. Okay, close that. Now let's go to vManage. Let's do the first one is the vBond. Highlight it, install certificate, select a file, desktop, ROOTCA, change here pin file to all, and let's install vBond. And let's see if the certificate is going to be successful. Okay, and there you go, vBond is done. So we go to main dashboard, let's take a few seconds, and meanwhile let's do the other one. Controllers, vSmart, as you can see, option installed, and I will populate in a minute. Smart, install certificate, controllers, and vManage. In progress. It's done. So now let's see if the devices are up. As you can see, we successfully installed the vBond, is up, and the vSmart as well. As you can see, there's no more warning for the invalid certificate. And this is how you bring the SD-WAN controllers up. So now if you go certificate, controllers, just send to vBond. Successfully. Go to certificate again, controllers, and you can see the system IP that we gave in our bootstrap. And you can see the certificate serial because you can see installed. So the next video, we're gonna start working on the HQ device, MPLS, the internet, and bring some vEdges device as well online. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.